Give me 1 sec. I'll be done in a bit. Finally. So, after you left the village... I let you off the hook before, back at the hall, but not this time.
Well, when we were kids, everybody wanted to be a soldier, right?
Yeah, I remember they were on the news every day during the war.
Thing is, by the time I finally made it in, they didn't need heroes anymore. It was nothing like what we dreamt of. It was just working for Shinra. Just...
I'm sorry. I know it's a touchy subject.
Not exactly small talk. Especially with someone you haven't seen in a while.
I get it. Still, it's kind of funny. Us going our separate ways, thinking that must be it. That we'd never meet again. And then here, of all places, we do. You know what? We should totally celebrate. Let's dress up and hit the town.
Really?
I mean, why not? It'll be fun.
Do you even have fancy clothes?
Not like fancy, but I'll figure something out. What do you think would suit me, huh?
Something refined.
Yeah, I guess we're not kids anymore. Be sure to pick an outfit that goes with mine, okay?
Will do.
This is gonna be so much fun. You'll see.
Yeah. Maybe.
And on that happy note, I think it's time we head back to the bar. Come on.
You don't need a break?
Honestly, I'm feeling pretty good. Marl isn't always right, you know. Hey, Marl. We took care of the filters, so we're gonna head back to the bar now.
Take care, you two. Oh, you're looking pretty chipper.
I don't feel that different.
Must be my imagination, then. Anyway, keep your wits about you, Merc. A token of my appreciation. Be good to her. You'll get no second chances from me.
to report. What's gonna happen to mid-survey?
Apparently it was done by a terrorist group. I wish I had your strength and confidence.
Guess I'll...
People are counting on us.
People are beginning to...
Tifa, mind if I stop by later? You gonna bless us with your cooking tonight?
And here we are. You must be tired.
Same as you, I guess.
Could use a little something to take the edge off, right? How about a refreshing cocktail made by yours truly that you can sit back and savor?
Tifa.
Yeah, I'm feeling it a bit too. Hey, do you think you'll stick around a little longer?
Maybe. Work for a minute, build up some savings.
I see. So, what'll it be? Want to head back out for a little while?
Yeah, why not?
You won't get the best of me!
Yes, enjoy yourselves. It's like they don't even care a reactor blew up.
You can do it!
Well, you want to head inside? We're back.
Did you have fun?
Lots of fun.
Hey, need y'all downstairs.
Right now? Then the plan is...
Marlene, wanna go wait for Jesse out front?
Okay.
Looks like we're officially on for tomorrow night then. Gotta go over the details with the others.
Before you do, about my pay.
You'll get your money. So sit down and shut up until we're finished. Double time, Tifa.
I'm really sorry, but it shouldn't take much longer. In the meantime... grab a seat. What'll it be?
I don't know. Something hard and bitter.
Well, most people would say something sweet right about now.
I'm sure they would.
Ah, but you're a more discerning customer, aren't you? In which case... our house special, the Cosmo Canyon.
Beautiful.
I gotta go. Enjoy.
Huh?
Hey, you see the news? The reactor bombing was the work of the eco-extremist group Avalanche. Public enemy #1. Gets your heart racing, doesn't it? They don't know our faces, so we're in the clear for now. But we'll want to capitalize on this momentum. Speaking of which, you coming on the next one?
For the right price.
Oh, you can bet I'll be pushing hard for a raise. Tifa will be joining us too, but I don't know. Even a blind man can see her heart's not in it. She was never on board with the bombings, so if it comes down to do or die, if I've got to put my life in someone else's hands, then I'd rather that someone was a professional. Like you.
Could still kill some time. The real deal, huh? What was up with that girl anyway? The real deal, huh? Maybe just chill a bit. I heard you're having second thoughts.
I know we have to think big if we're going to make a difference. But not like this. I feel trapped.
If it feels wrong, don't do it.
Guess that's that then.
What, they kick you out?
We agreed to disagree. So, you want another drink?
Tifa! Time to celebrate. Break out all the good stuff.
Oh, sure.
We won't be needing you for this next job. Feel free to look for work elsewhere.
Fine by me. That's how I like it. No contract, no obligation.
Figured you'd say that. Here, the rest of your payment, along with a little extra for your exemplary service. and thus concludes our business. Gonna have to ask you to leave now. This here's a private affair.
Sorry, I tried. We talked it over, but in the end, we didn't want to put so much on you. This is our fight.
Jesse, what's the holdup?
Be right there. No hard feelings, huh?
It's fine.
Let's talk more after I'm done here, okay?
Really, it's fine.
Come on, Jesse, I'm dying here.
I'll catch you later. Sorry to keep you thirsty boys waiting.
Avalanche!
That hit the spot.
Damn, Biggs, slow down.
Keep it tight. Ain't no room for error come tomorrow.
More reason to live it up now.
Yep, best way to...
We'll talk later. I promise. Sorry, you were saying? It's been too long since we did this.
Not since we went on...
Don't take this the wrong way, but right now I need to spend time with the gang. Sorry, you were saying?
They did not give us the boot.
So what? Now you give a shit about the cause? Okay, what were we talking about? It was an amicable separation. Oh no. You better not be about to ask for more money. Okay, what were we talking about?
Can't believe it's already been a year. I don't know how...
We'll talk. So, where'd we leave off?
Well, I do.
But he was afraid we'd lean on you too much if we took you along. So, where'd we leave off?
No need for that, boss. We all knew...
Let me treat you to dinner at my place. I can introduce you to all my cats. Where were we?
Yeah, but when shit hits the fan, it's...
Could get pretty dicey out there. Oh, my bad. Continue. Can't expect anyone but a true believer to stand tall if everything goes sideways. Oh, my bad. Continue. Happy to look out for you, like I know you'll look out for me.
So long as someone looks out for my stomach.
Tifa's got you covered there.
as a friend.
What's up with them?
Word is he lives in this town. Just shut up and wait. We'll find him soon enough.
No!
Seems like the boss...
Hey, brother. You from around the way?
I guess.
Know a big man with a big gun strapped to his right arm? Heard he set up shop somewhere in the neighborhood.
That depends.
Ah. Clever. Smell an opportunity to make some scratch, do you?
500.
200.
3.
Whatever, man. Let's find somewhere quiet to talk. Walk with me. Got something to say? You looking at me?
Is he with them?
Move it! I said move! Look at all these assholes staring at us.
This shithole's got nothing on Walmart. Am I right?
Don't overdo it.
Word of advice,
boss
Blondie.
is a
Don't piss off my
dangerous man.
friend here. You'll be real sorry.
Unless you got some kind of death wish, then be my guest. After you, brother. And don't worry, I ain't the backstabbing type. Most days. Spill it. You know where the bastard's hiding, don't you?
I told you before. That depends.
Oh yeah? You wasted my time.
Shinra's time, you mean?
Shinra knows better than to stick its nose in my boss's business.
Like I give a shit.
Barely got me.
I got your number.
Can't stop, won't stop! Got this! We're moving around!
Feel the heat!
You're going down!
Not good enough.
Here, let him have it!
Ready to give up?
You got this ball, that's good!
Get ready. This won't take long. All right. Let's get this over with. This won't take long.
He's going to fly!
Get ready.
Beat it!
It's over. Big man with a big gun for an arm, right? Why do you want it?
Just to front love and orders, you know? Nobody tells me shit. Let me walk away. Please!
Allow me.
Sweet dreams now!
Here we go. Enough. So if they weren't Shinra, then... not my problem. Lesson 1 for life on the ground floor. Get some rest.
I'm guessing you're the merc who dealt with those damn rats? That wasn't me who put in the request, but as a resident of Culvert Street, I appreciate what you did.
A kettle?
Solid gold.
Ornamental.
Welcome! I'm always getting in new stuff to keep up with the latest trends. You won't be disappointed.
Those disgusting vermin deserved what they got.
Shit. Is that always there?
Not bad, Merc.
You know,
Oh, you're still in one piece.
probably realize that the Bonnies are gonna start messing with everyone's business down here.
Yes, enjoy yourself.
There's so many.
Don't take your eyes off it!
Oh, hey! Thanks for helping out.
Thanks to the awesome new...
My husband decided to go to the
Welcome home, honey. Took your sweet time. Psych. Are you gonna let me in so we can talk in private? Guess I'll get right to the point then.
Huh. What have you got there?
An apology for not getting you on the mission. Or not. What do you think it is?
A proposition.
Nailed it in one. Gonna have to ask you to keep all this a secret from the others, though. It's a personal matter. Something I need to sort out tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight. You and me, together. I want you to come with me to the Sector 7 plate. I'll give you the details on the way.
That's fine by me, but don't you have a pretty big day ahead of you?
I do, but if I don't deal with this now, it's only gonna get harder. Anyway, I can count on you, can't I?
Oh.
A down payment. Doubt we'll be back before morning, in case you were planning on traveling. flight. Make sure you've got everything you need before we leave. I'll wait here. You all set? Take all the time you need. Nothing a woman likes more than being kept waiting. But seriously, get your ass in gear already. You all set? Awesome. Meet me at the station after dark. Don't be late.
It's just another job.
Huh?
Tough break. They changed the times. Last train's already left. Which is why we borrowed these bikes. Need a lift to the plate?
How did you guess?
Easy. You've been acting weird. Like talking about one thing when you're obviously thinking about something else.
Yeah, and don't get me started on all that pep.
All right, I'll give you that. But how did you know I wanted to head topside? Was I talking in my sleep? What else did I say?
No, we just figured you wanted to see your parents, that's all.
Nailed it, huh?
Yep, right on the head.
So, seeing as we don't have any family of our own, how about you let us be a part of yours for a bit? You know, spread the wealth.
Are your parents still around?
Huh? No.
Okay then. Guess you're all invited. Here's to awkward family reunions.
Yeah!
I take it you boys have your brand spanking new IDs?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's lay down some rubber.
Crank that frog!
Okay, you got it.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Just so you know, I'm not going plateside for the reason they think I am. Look, you saw the way the reactor went up. It was huge, right?
Because of all the Mako. Isn't that what you said?
Yeah. That was wishful thinking. Deep down, I know it was my fault. I used a more powerful blasting agent than the directions called for. It had nothing to do with the Mako.
Let's say you're right. So what?
I'm planning on using a weaker blasting agent this time. But, since I can't get in touch with my supplier, our only option is to loot a warehouse owned by Shinra.
Shinra? Good luck with that.
With your help, we won't need luck. ID scan! Ready?
So far, so good.
All right, here comes the hard part.
And that is...
The fake IDs may have held up, but from this point on, if we get pinged by a scan...
They'll come for us.
Yeah, what he said.
Oh, man.
Just like that?
No need to worry. We've got Cloud, remember? Hey, you do know how to drive, right?
Soldiers get mandatory training.
Well then, you gonna take my breath away? Make my head spin with your amazing skills?
Don't blame me if you get sick.
We've got company!
Someone's having fun.
How can I not? Pursued by villains, a young couple thrust together by fate race through the neon street night.
Get off.
Feeling
I'm
good
waiting.
back here. Not much of a challenge, huh?
course not.
Feeling good back here. This isn't working. My hero.
Straight to legal force?
What, so you just pull over if they ask nicely?
Got a point.
See? So just go holding back now.
Wow! We need backup!
Can't take him by ourselves.
This isn't good!
Wow, Cloud, you really the cold-eyed mercenaries heard you enough to keep back to help?
Nope.
I won't forget that. Wait, is it just me or did we slow down?
Just you.
Make it look pretty easy. More of them.
I think we've bitten off more than we can chew. What do we do?
Shut up.
Bob, we need help! Please!
We have to save them.
Damn it!
Moving duty for a second.
Got more company.
A-team's here.
I don't like the sound of that.
We're not screwed, are we?
Wow! What the hell?
You better hurry, Cloud. Woo!
Freaking ridiculous!
I think my heart just skipped a beat.
Jesse, look out!
Hey, you okay?
Pay more attention, Cloud. Now that's the stuff. Heads up! Drones!
One thing after another. Come on, Wedge, gun it!
I am gunning it!
We're good. Nothing about this is good. We got heat. Fair enough. All right then, do your thing.
Not much of a challenge, huh?
Hey, Cloud! You should help here!
Damn it!
Feeling good down here.
These things can't take too much damage!
Woohoo!
Running for you! Shooting more distance to be safe, yeah?
Wow, Cloud, you really are good at this.
for you. Next to him, we look like kids on trikes.
You're damn right you do.
You're part of that we too, you know.
We made it!
Woo! Topside!
Keep going till we hit the station?
No, head straight for the warehouse. Aww. Our magical ride is almost at an end.
Why are you talking like we're not here?
Because you're not.
Clearly we are. Not over yet. Cloud! Little help! Screw this!
These things can't take too much damage!
Hey, you okay?
They're coming for you!
That stinks.
Time's up. Break off before he shows. Copy.
What's going on? Who's that?
A soldier.
Well, hello!
Who's this?
Too quick for the eye. You cross him, you die. Now, mind if I cut in? Woo! Splendid! I've been looking for a new dance partner. Private party, huh? That's fine. I'll settle for a race then. Just one.
Talking to me?
I most certainly am.
Then no.
So terribly sorry. Your words failed to reach my ears, sluggish and slow as they are.
What's this place doing?
The lady's curiosity has been piqued. My name is Rose, but you may address me by the more accurate appellation, Speed Demon.
Heard that, huh?
My ears are attuned to the feminine voice.
Oh, this guy is the worst.
Yes, this is the contest I've been waiting for. Embrace your emotions. Better your heart to the world.
Careful, Cloud!
I only have eyes for you. You know you love it too. Shall I keep you company? Need to recharge? Wonderful gift you've given to me!
What is he up to now?
Not bad! Yes, good! And an abiding affection for your mount. But one cannot simply ride one's bike. Hey, one must unlock its true potential, become one with the machine. Like this! Really? Oh, that's
Had enough?
Don't be absurd. As if I could ever grow tired of your company. Naughty, naughty! Until one of our flames is forever extinguished, our fence will never rest! Burn for me! Rude! Oh, ho, ho! Come on, let's push it past the red line!
Jesse, take over.
Huh?
Well, well, well. I do believe this round is yours. Maybe next time we can keep it just between the two of us.
Maybe.
Until we meet again, my friend!
We did it!
Go team!
Don't get too excited. Reinforcements are hot on our trail. You failed the test.
What test?
Driving.
I'm great at driving.
Great at scaring your passengers, more like.
Not used to having any.
Maybe you should just let me drive.
Nope.
Guess I'll take one for the team and be your back warmer again. Huh? Oh, would you look at that? It's the end of the ride. We'll go on foot from here. Don't want to draw too much attention to ourselves.
Hey, did these things leave a mark?
They got you pretty good.
Ugh, and I'm running on fumes.
Don't worry, we'll top you up soon enough. Now let's roll.